Welcome to our video on artificial intelligence. In this video, we will be exploring the power and potential of machine learning, one of the most exciting and rapidly developing fields in the world of technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of making machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions like humans. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is the process by which computers learn patterns and relationships in data without being explicitly programmed. It is a type of artificial intelligence that is revolutionizing the way we process information and make decisions. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions or recommendations based on the information available. Machine learning has many practical applications, from predicting customer behavior to automating manufacturing processes. Let's explore some of the key areas where machine learning is being applied today. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms are being used to improve diagnoses, predict patient outcomes, and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, machine learning is being used to identify fraud, manage risk, and make investment decisions. And in retail, machine learning is being used to optimize pricing, personalize recommendations, and forecast demand. We are just scratching the surface of what machine learning can do. As the amount of data we generate increases, we will need more sophisticated algorithms to help us make sense of it. Machine learning has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation to education. In conclusion, machine learning is a rapidly developing field with tremendous potential to transform our world. As more and more data becomes available, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of machine learning in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this introduction to the power and potential of machine learning. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos.